Why do modern diesel engines depend less on the driver than engines from the 90s? I explain this in detail in the full X199 battle. Go watch the complete comparison. In the 1990s, engines like the Caterpillar 3406E relied heavily on the driver. Throttle discipline controlled torque. Shift timing controlled stress. Temperature awareness prevented damage. The driver was part of the control system. A modern Cummins X15 works differently. It uses electronic torque management. It regulates fuel delivery in real time. It monitors temperature and protects itself automatically. So performance is more consistent, even when the driver is tired or when load and terrain change. The job didn't change, the control strategy did.